Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Xiaomi 12 Lite to your PC, and we're also gonna check all available options for it. And first one, let's connect the USB cable to our PC. Make sure that you have a USB slot on your PC. For example, on some MacBooks they might have USB-C, and in this case you need to double-end USB-C cable. So connect it to your PC, then to the phone, and the phone should start charging with our PC or a laptop. And now let's see what kind of options are available. So scroll down notification bar, we can close all other apps, and here reveal charging this device with USB, and we can change it to file transfer Android Auto or transfer photos in PTP mode. So let's go with file transfer, and now we should be able to open the device view for the files, and now we can access and send files between our PC and our phone. And that's basically all of the options available on this specific device. You could probably also try to go to settings, and maybe there's a tethering. We're gonna check connection and sharing. Portable hotspot. There is USB tethering, so that means if you enable it, it will disconnect the file transfer, but you can also use the internet from your phone on your PC. So that might be handy if you don't have a wireless network, or you just want to use your mobile data on your PC. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.